How many shots should you post in a day, or how many shots can you post in a day to get maximum views? To answer this question, there's this feature on YouTube that when you enable it, you'll be able to post more shots daily. More shot daily means multiple shots in a day, meaning you can post one, two, three, four shots in a day. So that's what YouTube is saying, that when you enable this feature, you'll be able to post more shots daily. And now, for those of you who don't know how to enable this feature, there are three ways you can use to enable this feature. You have one, your channel history. So this is when you have been uploading video for a period of time and YouTube sees that you are serious with this YouTube thing, and then they will enable this feature for you. Or you can use your valid ID, or you can use your video verification. The fastest one I've used is the video verification. It takes less than 24 hours. So if you have not enabled this feature, then try to enable it so that you'll be able to post more shots daily. Now, some other content creators have made a video about this topic. Like this creator who made this video, he said that for him, he has a YouTube channel that posts about 4 shots in a single day. And YouTube is not doing anything funny to the channel. Like the channel is performing really well, 4 shots per day. And I've seen many creators, like for example, we have Alex Hummus, he posts 2 shots in a day. And there's this girl called Jenny Hoyos. She posts about 5 to 6 shots in a day, and she still gets lots of views. So I don't think there is any limits to how many shots you can post in a day. I even once saw a creator posting shots every single hour of the day, so 24 shots in a day, and he was getting views. So I don't think there's any limit to how many shots you can upload in a day. But take note, if you are beginning, that is, if you created a new channel, it is advisable to start posting one in a day. Don't get be spamming shots like posting 4 or 5 in a day. No, start with 1 in a day, yeah, or 5 in a week. Then you go to 1 per day. Then if you see that you are getting momentum, you can increase to 2 per day, then 3 per day, 4 per day. Now, I made mention of Jenny Hoyos. She's a YouTube short creator who gets on average 10 million views on each shot, and she was interviewed on how she creates viral shot. So I made a video summarizing everything she said about how to create viral shots. So if you want to know how to create viral shots, then watch this video over here.